Good morning, traders. It's 8:53 a.m. on Monday. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick pre-market video and show you guys what's moving the markets. Wells Fargo is being investigated for allegedly overpricing mortgage bond deals by the SEC. That could be pretty devastating for the banks. I'm not real sure whether it's going to be settled in court or out of court. We know these top banks usually don't get in trouble. They have too much money. Looking at the chart here, it's down a little bit, marginally lower from Friday's open at 32.10. So let's see if we get back down to 31.86 to 31.82, which was the low from Friday. Next, we have McDonald's saying that they're going to try to hire 50,000 people during the April 19th hiring event. That's good news right there. Then we have GSIT, simple GSIT, GSI Technology, disclosed Friday that Cypress Semiconductor filed a lawsuit alleging them of infringement, and this is never good, especially if it comes true, because that's a lot of money out of their pocket and off their balance sheet. And this thing just got a print of 870 from a close of 891, so down about roughly 20 cents in the pre-market session. Looking at the hourly chart, 873 might be a little bit of support for this. The 100's at 856, so put that as your S2. And then of course going to your S3, it's going to be that low that we put in on the 11th of March at 802. Janney's is out saying it got approval to repurchase up to 6 million shares of common stock after the restaurant chain owner closed the previous buyback program from last year. Janney's I do not like. I've given Janney's plenty of chances to change my thoughts about it, and even though it's gone up, well, hardly at all. Well, it was $3 a share back in November, and now it's at $4.12. This isn't the kind of trade that I look for, because in my area at least, the Denny's are always closing down. I don't know why, but at least in my area, they are so dirty. It is really disgusting. I won't even eat at one. Alright, so here's some big news right here. Epsilon Alliance Data Systems email marketing segment, which emails over 4 billion emails a year for its clients. Actually, I think that's at 4 billion a day. Excuse me if the number's a little off. Said in a release that an unauthorized entry into its system exposed some of its clients' customer names and email addresses. JP Morgan Chase, which uses Epsilon as marketing vendor, said that files on some Chase customers were among these accessed. So that probably won't bode too well with the ADS stock. Alright, so Vivus said a 2-year study found in the weight loss drug Conexa also reduces blood pressure, keyword, and the required use of anti-hypertension medication. Shares surged 16%. They're drifting a little lower here, but they're already trading over 1.2 million shares in pre-market. This is something that I'm going to look to trade today. Good news flow. On the daily chart, it's trading at 710 right now, so it's roughly right around the 50-day moving average. Maybe they could irk it back up to 740 and then hit that 772 again. Keep this one on your radar, guys. Moly Corp, symbol MCP, acquired a 90% stake in rare earth processing company AS Silmet, and a deal valued about $89 million, giving Moly Corp a foothold in Europe and doubling its production capacity. Shares rise 6.5% in pre-market. I mean, really, what else can you say about this stock? It is an absolute stud. I love it. This could be the next big thing, going to $83 a share. It's just a number that popped out in my head. It could even go higher to 100, guys. This thing is going to be in play for a while, so get used to it. Get comfortable building a position over time. Maybe wait for a pullback down to 51 to 46. And if this market pulls back a little bit and Molly Corp goes with it, this will be one of the ones that I'm personally getting involved with. I'm not sure if you guys have Barron's or not, but over the weekend they highlighted Carnival Corporation, symbol CCL. They think shares could reach $50 a share. And you have a news article saying that it could rise 30%. In pre-market trading, we closed at 38.23. We're at 39 right now. So just showing you guys how powerful Barron's is and how large the subscriber base is in the institutional investors. Alright, LUV, keep watching this. There's some bad news about cracks being in the planes, and watch Boeing, watch Delta. This could affect the whole airline sector. As higher gas prices weren't enough, they have bad news like this. I wouldn't touch an airliner right now with a 10-foot pole and your money. So anyways, this is it. I'm wrapping it up. Get you guys another video out later. Good luck trading.